Hi बच्चों लोग, how you are? Welcome to the second part of the chapter Power and Exponents or Indices. Yes, this is the second part. In part 1, we discussed few sums and the rules related to the chapter Power and Exponents and Indices. And this is part 2. But part 1 is more important because in that part we discussed all the rules and this is the continuation of that video. So you have missed that video, you must watch part 1 first. The link of part 1 is there in the description box. Okay. Here we are going to discuss, in this video we are going to discuss more sums from this chapter, power and exponents. Okay. So difficult sums as I told you. So without delaying, let's start one by one. Okay. The first sum of this video is, let me write that sum, a to the power minus 1, b to the power 2 by a to b to the power minus 4, 7 divided by a to the power 3, b to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 2, and b to the power 3, then minus 5, then equal to a to the power x, b to the power y, and we have to find the value of x plus y. Understood? This is the question. From this question or from this equation we have to find the value of x and y, and then we'll plot x plus y here and we'll take out the value. Understood? See, first of all, this is a to the power, as I told you that if you I told you that if the power is negative, then you take it down, or if it is already down, take it up. Then power, if the power is negative, that will convert into positive. Okay, see how I am doing. We discussed this rule in the first part of the video. See, a to the power minus 1, it will be a to the power plus 1, a to the power 2. This one will go up, b to the power 4, then b to the power 2. Understood? Divided by this one also, a to the minus 2 will go up, a to the power 2, a to the power 3, then b to the power b to the power 5, b to the power 3 minus 5. Understood? See. 2 plus 4, 6. A to the power 1 plus 2, 3. 7 divided by a to the power 5, b to the power 8. Okay? b to the power 42 by a to the power 21. This one, a to the power minus 25, b to the power minus 40. Okay, again this will be this b to the power 42 by a to the power 21. Okay, into this one will be this opposite reciprocal, b to the power minus 40, a to the power minus 25. Understood? Equal to a to the power x, b to the power y. Now as I told you that if the power is negative, you can take it down. Let us do that. b to the power 42 by a to the power 21 into a to the power 25 by b to the power 40. Okay, equal to a to the power x, b to the power y. Just a second. Now, this is b to the power 42, b to the power 40. They are in division. B same. So 42 minus 40. So b to the power 42 minus 40, and a to the power 21, 25 minus 21. 25 minus 21. And now, so a to the power 4 and b to the power 2 equal to a to the power x, b to the power 5. So now if you compare this, x is 4, y is 2. X is 4, y is 2. Let us put it here. X is 4, y is 2. 6 is the answer. Understood? 6 is the answer. Okay. Next sum. The next sum is a plus b plus c. Let me write the question. A plus b plus c by a to the power minus 1, b to the power minus 1 plus Okay, equal to, we have to show ABC. This one equal to ABC we have to show. Okay, it's very simple. We have to show that this equal to ABC. Okay, let us start it. We'll not write this. See here, A plus B plus C. A to the power minus 1 means 1 by A to the power 1. 1 by A to the power 1. A to the 1 means A. So this is A. Same here, B to the power minus 1 means 1 by B to the power 1. That is 1 by B. So 1 by A into 1 by B, that is 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. Okay, 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. Understood? Now, here, from here, what is the LCM? LCM is ABC. LCM is ABC. Okay, what is the LCM here? ABC. Now, by AB, if you divide ABC, what is left? By AB, if you divide ABC, if you divide by AB, C is left. So C into 1, C plus same way here A, same way here B. Understood? The same way I discussed for the first one, the same way I am writing this. Got it? Now this one will get reciprocal. So equal to A plus B plus C into this one. This one into this one will get reciprocal. So you get ABC by C plus A plus B. C plus A plus B. See, these two are same. Correct? What is left? ABC. Proved. Okay. Because I told you in the beginning that we have to show ABC. So we got ABC. Okay. Let us move to our next sum. Next sum is x to the power q. X to the power q by x to the power r to the power 1 by qr. Okay, 1 by qr. Then into x to the power r by x to the power p to the power 1 by rt. Okay, 1 by rt into x to the power p by x to the power q. P by x to the power q to the power 1 by pq. pq. We have to simplify it. Okay, we have to simplify it. See how. First of all, this is x to the power q minus r. Q minus r. Okay, into okay. Now, power multiplies. We know that power multiplies. So, we can write x to the power okay. Now see, bases are same. I told you in the first part of this video that if bases are same, then power will get added in case of multiplication. In case of multiplication, bases are same, so power will be added. See how? Equal to x to the power q minus r by qr plus r minus p by rp plus p minus q by pq. Now let us find what is the value of this. What is the value of this power? Only power. So what I am writing here, see. This one I am writing q minus r by qr plus r minus p by rp plus p minus q by pq. P minus q by pq. Okay, just a second. Now, what is the LCM here? The LCM of this is PQR. PQR. Okay. Now, by QR, you divide this. By QR, divide PQR. What is left? P. So, by P, you have to multiply this. So, what you get? PQ minus PR plus. By RP divided by this. By RP divide this. So, you get Q. Q into R. QR minus PQ plus by PQ you divide this. by p cube you get this. What you are getting? R into p, rp minus qr. Okay, so plus qr minus qr cancelled, plus rp minus pr cancelled, plus pq minus pq cancelled. So 0 by pqr, 0 by pqr means 0, 0 by pqr means 0. So this is 0. So equal to x to the power 0. What is x to the power 0? I told you in the first part that any number whose power is 0, the answer is 1. So the answer is 1. Understood? Is this sum? Let us move to our next sum. Next sum. In this sum, two equations are given. See, two equations are given. We have to solve these two equations and we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, let's see. First of all, this one. What we can write here? Root over 32 means 2. Or whenever you see a root is there, you see a root is there, instead of root you can write power half. The power will be half. Okay, instead of root you can write power. Like root over 5, I can write it 5 to the power 1 by 2. Power is 1 by 2. Understood? Root over 5 means instead of root, if you cancel root here, the power will be half. Okay, same rule we are going to apply here. See, 32 to the power half to the power s divided by 2 to the power y plus 1. Okay, see. 32. Instead of 32, I can write 2 to the power 5 because 2 to the power 5 means 32. So, 2 to the power 5. That power is half. That power is x. Understood? Total 3 powers are there. 2 to the 32 means 2 to the power 5. 5 is the first power. Then second power is half. Then third power is x. Divided by 2 to the power y plus 1 equal to 1. Okay. So 2 to the power 5 1 the 5 into x. 5x. 5x by 2 divided by 2 to the power y plus 1. Okay, understood? Now, in case of division, I told you, in case of division, when your bases are same, in case of division, the power gets subtracted. So, 5x by 2 minus y plus 1, power is subtracting. Okay, instead of this 1, I can write 2 to the power 0. Because 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power this equal to, I can write 0. Understood this equation? So this power will get subtracted, then 2 to the power 0. So this equal to the power equal to 0. Okay. Now just 5x by 2 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now by 2 you multiply all the numbers. By 2 you multiply all the numbers. So what you are getting? If you multiply this by 2, then 2 cancel 5x. So you are getting 5x. If you multiply this by 2, you will get 2y. If you multiply this by 2, you will get 2. This is your first equation. Okay, 5x minus 2y minus 2. This is your first equation. We have to take out another equation from this one. Yes, equal to 0. Okay, see this one. 8 means 2 to the power 3 y. 8 means 2 to the power 3, then y equal to, I am taking this that side. 16 means 2 to the power 4, then 4 minus x by 2. Understood this? 16 means 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. Then another power is this. Okay. See, next one. 2 to the power 3y equal to 2 to the power 4 just 16 minus 4x by 2. 4x by 2 means 2x. 2x. So if you cancel the base, to 2, you are getting 3y equal to 16 minus 2x. Now take that side. So you will get 2x plus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. This is the second equation. Okay. So this is your first equation. This one is your first equation. This is your second equation. Now solve these two equations. Okay, by which rule? Yes, by how to solve. You know how to solve linear equation of two variable. Linear equation of two variable. We know the rule. Just solve these two equations. First equation, second equation. Then you will get the value of x and y. Okay, so first equation and second equation, if you solve these two equations, you will get the value of x and y. Fine. So you complete it. I am not doing it. You will complete it. We'll go to the next sum. Next sum. In this next sum, see, these two things are given. A to the power x equal to b to the power y equal to c to the power z and b square equal to ac. These things are given. We have to show y equal to that. We have to show this. Okay. But before starting this one, I need to say you a rule. See, what is the rule? Say, I am saying you that a to the power x equal to y or b. Say a to the power x equal to b. Okay, so a equal to b to the power 1 by x we can write. From this we can write this. Okay, a to the power x equal to b. That means a equal to, here it will be 1 by x or will be 1 by x. Understood? The same rule we are going to apply here. Say how? First of all, let us use this much. Use this much. A to the power x equal to b to the power y. So what is a? A is b to the power y by x. Understood? A to the power x equal to b to the power y means a equal to this x will come down here. So b to the power y by x. Okay. Now we use this much. B to the power y equal to c to the power z. So c equal to b to the power y by z. Okay, c equal to b to the power y by z. Okay. Now let us put this a and c here. B square equal to a is what? A is b to the power y by x into c is b to the power y by z. Y by z. Okay. Any doubt? Fine. B to the power 2 equal to b to the power y by x plus y by z. Because base are same, that is b. So power will be added. Okay. Now base cancelled. Base cancelled. So what is left? 2 equal to y by x plus y by z. Okay, 2 equal to xz. Okay, xz. Then yz plus xy. Okay, so 2 equal to y is common, z plus y, x by xz. Okay, so y equal to this one will go up xz 2xz by z plus x. So y equal to this. Understood? The thing is proved. Okay. Next sum. See in this sum, this thing is given. Okay, this whole equation is given and we have to show x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This one we have to show. Okay, see how. First of all, n plus n to the power minus 1. I told you when the power is minus, we'll take it down. Okay, the power will be positive. So here I can write n plus n to the power 1. But power 1 we cannot write also. No problem. So n plus 1 into 1 by n to the power 1. But 1 will not write. As I told you, power 1 we cannot write. No problem. Plus 1 by n to the power n to the power x y n to the power y. Okay. Now 1 by mn. So it will be n plus m. Okay, equal to cancel. So what is left? 1 by mn equal to n to the power x n to the power y. So 1 by m means m to the power minus 1. Okay, m I am taking here. See, what is m? M is m to the power 1. M to the power 1. If I am taking this up, it will be m to the minus 1. Here also m to the power minus 1. Okay, m to the minus 1 equal to m to the power x, m to the power y. Now compare these two. Compare these two. What you are getting? X is minus 1, y is minus 1. Okay. So instead of x minus 1, instead of y also I am getting minus 1 plus 2 equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. So it is proved. Okay, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So understood the sums? These are some difficult sums from the chapter power exponents and indices. We'll meet in another chapter. Thank you.